Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the fuel pump from this Hyundai i10. So if, for example, you put your key in the ignition in the second position and you don't hear the pump, then you've got a problem. Let's try one more time. Okay, so you should hear it for at least 1 second. The pump activated it back there because the pump is on the back seat here. So we gotta remove the back seat. Just pull it up. And down here you're gonna find the fuel pump. So with a prior, let's take out this cover. It's basically glued on it, so just remove it like that. Let's unplug the connector. Now let's clean a little bit this area here. Protect your eyes. Let's disconnect this return line as well. Now you've got a bunch of 8mm nuts around this circle, so let's remove these and then the fuel pump should come out. Now the ring is free. And the fuel pump assembly is also ready to come out. Just waiting for all the fuel to come out. And from this point you have to replace the whole assembly because it's not available to replace only the pump anymore, at least not on this car. Now let's install the new fuel pump assembly on. First you gotta put the sensor on and make sure that you don't damage it, just like that, and submerge the pump in there. Let's put back the ring. I have to admit, this system with the ring is the best I've seen on any fuel pump. Most of them have that stupid ring which you have to struggle a lot until you put back the pump, but this one has the gasket right on top. You press it in there and that's it. Very good system. Everybody should do this. All the car manufacturers should do this. Just to reconnect everything, the feed line, the return line, and that's it guys, job done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to really help me, click that subscribe button as well. So stay tuned and I will see you soon.